friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing another wonderful episode of Quarantine Clean with me because yes, my life in 2020 is a bit of a literal mess. I can't keep my life clean to save my life. So today I thought we would clean a very necessary corner of my room, and that is my vanity, which houses all of my makeup and just has become a general dumping ground for so much crap. So come along with me as we organize, declutter, get rid of, clean up, organize my life. Alright friends, so this is the current situation. This is absolutely atrocious and needs to be remedied because in an ideal perfect world, I'd like to use this desk during quarantine, whatever's left of it, to clean and sit on and use this desk for work. That would be my ideal purpose for this. But considering that I literally can't even close the drawers anymore, it's covered in stuff. Including the face masks that we organized in a previous quarantine clean with me video, this just needs to be remedied. So that's what we're gonna do today. Without further ado, let's just get into this. Doing these videos. So beautiful. We have a clean, beautiful workspace that looks so shiny, doors that close, that are organized and pristine and not junked up. Granted, they look cluttered, but I promise you there's semblance to this organization. And I'm getting rid of an entire box of expired gross makeup that I'm tossing and a pretty full box of stuff that I want to give away. So overall, pretty freaking successful. And there you have it, guys. Quick overview of the before and after. I'll give you a quick peeky into the drawers as well too. So I moved some stuff around from the way I'd organized it before. This is just bedtime necessities, lotions, ibuprofen, lip balms. These are supposed to be more of a mix of my liners and things of that nature, but it kind of overspilled for my primers just because I've gotten a ton recently. These are some of my favorite lashes. They're the Eyelure pre-glued. I have two different styles that I use that fit really perfectly in these acrylic drawers. Then over here, we've got my bronzers, my blushes, a fan in case it gets hot, you know, whatever. And then powders and primers, a couple more over here that didn't fit on the other side, a random sock, and my slipper, cute. And then these are all of my palettes and an extra beauty sponge. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in my next video.